Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me to stay your ass home. So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me with some of the products I picked up during the Sephora sale. Now it's not a lot of things, to be honest. I only got 4 things, but I can still, you know, get ready with you guys. We can still chat. I can show you some products that I've been using aside from what I got from the sale. Actually, this lipstick is from the drugstore, so you'll want to stay close to the end to see what it is, okay, because it's popping. I don't know why I'm so extra. Makeup has really been making me feel very excited, very excitable, very happy these days. So I've been so happy to play in makeup. Let me know if you guys want to see anything new. Just let me know, okay? I need some ideas because during this quarantine time, ideas have been running thin. I ain't gonna lie, but I have a couple video ideas coming up and some products that I'm waiting to get. So, you know, hopefully once those come in, I will have the content churning out for you. Not only that, I'm moving to a new apartment next week. I'm so excited about that. I anticipate that there will not be a lull because I'm pre-recording. So yeah, and I rambled and rambled. But if this is your first time watching Lip Beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, we're about to get into this look, honey. Lego. Okay guys, you know I like to do my brows first, so we're just gonna be doing a get ready with me basically, and I'm gonna be chatting with you about some of the things I got in the Sephora VIB sale. So you know I said it was taking forever for my package to come. It finally came this week and I was so happy because I'm about to move from this apartment next week and it was supposed to come on the same day that I'm moving. So I was like, oh my gosh. I did forward my mail, but I just wanted to make sure that, you know, it would be seamless. So I'm happy that I got it before I moved. Now I'm gonna do my eyes off camera and I will have a mini tutorial of how I do the eyes on Instagram, but I want to kind of jump into the base more in this video because more of the products that I bought were like complexion products. Yeah, so I'll be right back with my eyes. Okay guys, I'm back. I did a little halo eye. It was kind of rough. The shape of my eyes, I don't even know where to begin with a halo eye, but I always try, and I guess that's how you get better. You practice. So the first thing I want to talk about is Fenty Beauty foundation. So I've had the original for 3 years and I finally purchased a new one. So no longer do I have this old ass bottle. Now I have my new Fenty Beauty foundation. So I tried to pump out the last of it. Oh wow, I'm still getting some from the old container. Y'all, I want to get my money's worth, okay? You know, I said I wanted to use primer, but I'm not going to use primer because honestly, I don't have anywhere to go, right? So I'm not going to waste my primer. I usually use 2 pumps of this foundation. This foundation is the perfect shade for me. I'm 450. I absolutely love it. I was sold from like the very first time I tried it. I was like, yeah, this is for me. I definitely wouldn't say it's super full coverage. Y'all know I don't have a lot of blemishes. So, you know, if you're looking for a full coverage foundation, this is not really it, right? This wouldn't be your go-to. But if you have oily skin like me and you want that matte look, it's right here, sis. It's right here. Like, looks like skin. If you could find your perfect shade like I did, even better. I'm gonna put my very first review up in the cards so you guys could see my first impressions with a sponge or with a brush. This foundation is divine. Okay y'all, so I just quickly did my bronzer, I did my inner tear duct highlight and my bottom lash line, and now we're gonna put on some blush. You guys know that I reviewed the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out cream blushes and I tried all of them in the video, but in this video we're just gonna try one. We want to see how that one is gonna look on its own, so thought it only right to do Daiquiri Dip. Fingers are best for me. Right, I just kind of like pat it in. Oh, that's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I like to put it on the apples of my cheek, and I just find myself putting on more and more because I'm obsessed. I thought at first Summertime Wine was my favorite, but I think Daiquiri Dip is my favorite, y'all. Such a beautiful flush of color. Okay, I think whichever one I have on first is my favorite. Oh my gosh. All right, so then we're gonna do some chocolate geode. And on top of the chocolate geode, we're gonna put some cognac candy, diamond veil, just a little, because I'm feeling glittery today. Okay, so let's see. Y'all, this smells really good. Ooh. All right, Revlon. This is kind of my first time using any lip product from Revlon. Ooh, I actually like this. Wow, this is so interesting. It smells amazing. The shade is pretty good. It's like a gloss, to be honest. So I really like this, but I need a little bit more definition to my lips. So I'm gonna add Cognac from Bite, just as a liner. Yes, that's more like it. Ooh, I also got another lipstick from Revlon. This one is a cream lipstick in the shade Cherries in the Snow. It's very berry. Look at that. That is nice. Oh, have you ever tried Revlon lipstick? Let me know down below. I have not, but I'm loving these. And I probably am just gonna do some looks on my Instagram with them. So the look is finished, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was like a get ready with me. And basically I only got, what, 4 things from the VIB sale. The Fenty Beauty foundation, a re-up. The 2 cream blushes. I got the shades Summertime Wine and Drama Class, and then I got the Micro Smooth powder, which I really like. But yeah, I'm gonna try to use it with a puff and see if that does anything different, but as of now I really like it, so I would recommend it. And it's only $22. This is from the Sephora collection. Very good price. I think if you're a little darker than me, you may be able to use it, but any like 1 full shade darker than me, maybe not. You know, like Sephora, extend it again. Like, I think they already extended it to include Deep Ebony and the one before it, but like there's so many shade ranges after me. Come on, these companies are like annoying the hell out of me. Oh my god, extend the bloody range. I also got a sample of the Supergoop Daily Moisturizer. This is pretty good. I like Supergoop. I've tried their sunscreen oil, their sunscreen mist, and I've also tried their unseen sunscreen. Overall, I really do like their products. I think I saw that Neutrogena came out with a sunscreen mist. I would like to try a drugstore sunscreen mist because I feel like the mist is the best way to reapply your sunscreen throughout the day if you have on makeup. It's just the easiest way. Or you could get a powder, but a lot of the times the powders are tinted and they don't go dark enough, you know. So I mean, all we need is a company to like do stuff for everybody and then we'll be good. But for now, a spray is the best way to do it. So I was like, oh, I know I've tried the one from Supergoop. I wanted to try the one from Kate Somerville, but I just haven't purchased it right now because it's really not a necessity for me. But when I saw Neutrogena, I think it's Neutrogena, I was like, oh, maybe I might try it. I saw one review on it. The girl said that it was kind of, it left her kind of shiny. So I'm a bit apprehensive about that because I do have oily skin and I don't play with the grease. But I would still like to probably just try it for myself and then see if there are any other drugstore options for sunscreen sprays. If you know of any, please drop them in the comments. So yeah, I know my Sephora haul was kind of boring, to be honest, y'all, but I was only buying things that I know I would love or things that I've been eyeing for a long time. And basically that was Micro Smooth and foundation. Okay, and I know I would love the foundation. I know it was my perfect shade, so no regrets. Basically. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, have a great night, guys. Bye.